Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix your Canon camera that's not turning on. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. Here are possible reasons why your Canon camera isn't turning on. First, the camera's batteries are likely dead. To correct this, start by determining if the batteries are charged fully. Insert the batteries and then turn the camera on. If it doesn't switch on, use the same batteries on another similar camera. Then power up the camera to see if the batteries work. If not, then the batteries could be defective. In response to this, you should get new ones. You may also try using a different or new charger if yours is faulty. Also, the battery terminals in your camera are probably dirty. Oil from your skin and other dirt interferes with the supply of power to the camera during charging. To correct this, get a dry cloth before charging the device. Then use it to polish the dirt off the terminals. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your Canon camera that's not turning on. Thanks for watching. Till next time.